Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V8 vacuum. This repair is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Let's get started with the tools you will need. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T15 screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is completely powered off and disconnected from the charger. Safety first. Next, remove the battery pack by pressing the release button and sliding it out. This prevents any accidental activation during the repair. Now, turn your attention to the trigger. Using the Torx T15 screwdriver, locate the screws that secure the trigger assembly. There are 2 screws on the top and 1 on the underside of the trigger. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding plastic. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the trigger removed, take a moment to clean the area inside the vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. Use the cloth to wipe away any dirt. Now, it's time to install the new trigger. Align it with the mounting points and press it into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but being careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the plastic. After the new trigger is securely in place, reinsert the battery pack. Make sure it clicks into position, indicating it is locked in place. Before you test your vacuum, take a moment to ensure everything is reassembled correctly. If you find the process challenging or if you prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can simply reach out to us for assistance. Now, power on your Dyson V8 and test the trigger. It should respond smoothly, restoring the functionality of your vacuum. If it doesn't work as expected, there may be an issue that requires professional attention. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the repair, don't hesitate to use our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to make any calls or travel. We'll handle everything for you. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, so you'll know the costs up front. In conclusion, replacing the trigger on your Dyson V8 vacuum is a straightforward process that can enhance the longevity and efficiency of your device. Regular maintenance can prevent further issues and keep your vacuum performing at its best. Thank you for following along, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.